Hello fellow Choro collectors. So it's another educational day for me because I've never heard of this car before. But collecting these toys teaches me about stuff. So this is called a Daihatsu Boon. B-O-O-N. And this toy is from 2006. Q Shop Special. I don't know what that means. If it's like an online store? ChoroQ store or what? ST05. That's the year it was made. Okay. Weird that the box is 06, but it says ST05. Well, whatever. I'm not going to keep the box. Some sort of card down there, but I have no idea what it is. A little plastic. Hopefully that protects the paint from shipping vibrations and stuff. So, let's see. What's the Wikipedia telling me here? There are 3 generations of this car, but if it's an 06, the first generation was 2004 to 2015. It may have also been known as a Toyota Passo, or internationally a Daihatsu Sirion, or also the Subaru Justy, or the Paraduo Myvi in Malaysia. So, a lot of rebranding and stuff like that. 1 liter up to 1.5 liter 4 cylinders. Between 70 to 130 horsepower. 130 horsepower is not bad for something this small. Alright, anyways. It actually looks pretty good compared to those photos at least, except for the wheels. You know, these are just standard 5-spoke ChoroQ wheels. We're going to swap those out. This is a nice metallic sky blue. You can see the little tiny panel gaps here. Right, very good. Molded windows, a little molded detail there. These fender flares are kind of interesting. The headlights are painted silver, but there's a little bulge there. Daihatsu logo looks good. This is actually molded, this little grille, and there's black in there, so that's really nice. And down here as well, molded grille detail and painted black. Blank license plate, painted on wiper blades. You can see the transparency of the body, so the motor's down there. And then, let's see, where's the fuel filler? Don't see it. But the taillights are nice, silver and red. Daihatsu logo on the back, and Boon as well on the back, so that's better than usual. Usually there's no badge printing on the back. And then, I guess not much else. So the bottom, again, would say, oh, it does say 06. Twice. Alright, standard construction, screw in a tab. And if you haven't seen any of my videos before, I'll show you the inside of this, because I'm going to swap out the wheels anyways. Sometimes it's hard to take apart, because for some reason these tabs very often are wider than the holes, but in this case it wasn't a problem. So, then we have the motor here. I'm going to pop this off, squeeze this a little bit open. There's also a production dial if you ever see one without the printing on the bottom. So yeah, this does say 05. So maybe they took some old stock and then just labeled it as an 06. Alright, let me come back with some new wheels. Alright, I swapped over some wheels. I don't know what they are. I'm not sure if they're Real Riders or from a majorette, but I painted them gold, and I rather like them. Okay, well, I only have 3 other Daihatsus, so I might as well just show all of them. This first one is from Wanda Coffee, so it's a freebie that came with a can of Wanda Coffee in Japan. And I don't know what these wheels are either, but I painted them gold. How about a whole grab bag of wheels one day? And then this is a Daihatsu Tanto, and this has 3D printed wheels on it, because I like that one a lot. This other one is a Daihatsu Move Custom, and it also has 3D printed wheels. So that's it. Not many Daihatsus in my collection. But yeah, this is a new one. I always knew about these other 3, but I never knew about something called a Boon. It's probably the least favorite of the 3. I like all the other 3 first. But at least this one has really nice printed details. The wiper blades set it apart from the others. And the badging on the back as well. The other ones don't have badging. Oh, actually this freebie does. So quite interesting that the free one has more detail than some of the Choros. Okay, well that's it for that. Let's get this spinning up here today with the Sky Blue Gundam. Alright, well, always fun to learn about something new. and it didn't cost too much money, so that's why I bought this one. Alright, I guess I'll see you in the next ChoroQ wheel swap. Bye now.